it is denoted by N. That's definition. What is the definition here? One example. This is water. I am adding NaCl. Okay. And sodium chloride dissolved in water. Sodium chloride dissolved in water. Here, how much weight of NaCl dissolved in water? We don't know. That's why it is expressed in gram equivalent. The number of gram equivalent of the solute dissolved per liter of solution is called normality. I repeat, the number of gram equivalent weight of solute dissolved per liter of solution is called normality. If you take NaCl, the number of gram equivalent weight of NaCl dissolved per liter of the solution is called normality. Okay? Next, another one. Units. What are the units of normality? Here solute expressed in gram equivalent, solution expressed in liters. So equivalent per liter. Next, what is the effect of temperature? Effect of temperature. As temperature increases, volume of the solution increases. If this happens, concentration of the solute decreases. It means normality decreases. I repeat, as temperature increases, volume also increases based on Charles law concept. If volume increases, the concentration of solute decreases. Therefore, temperature inversely proportional to normality. Why? Here normality inversely proportional to volume. Okay, here what are the formulas in the normalities? Formulas of normality. Normality is equal to, based on definition, normality is equal to number of gram equivalent expressed in N per volume of the solution, volume in liters. Okay. N is equal to gram equivalent per, here volume expressed in milliliters. If you express it in milliliter into 1000 by volume in ml. That's normality is equal to equivalent weight expression, weight by gram equivalent weight. Weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by volume in ml. 1000 by volume in ml. Here it is normality of the solution, W weight of the solute, GeW gram equivalent weight of solute, volume of the solution in ml. V is equal to volume in ml of the solution. Okay, that's here for dilute solution. For dilute solutions, imagine this is NaCl solution. Here normality N1, volume V1. If it is diluted to this solution, its normality N2, volume V2. So what is the relation between previous solution and dilute solutions? N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. Here N1 starting normality of the solution, V1 starting volume of the solution, N2 final normality of solution, V2 final volume of the solution. After that, how much volume of water added to get this dilute solution? Volume of water is added to get dilute solution is equal to higher normality minus lower normality into volume in ml by lower normality. Okay, next, for same solute, what is the normality of the resulting solution? Before that, I am taking NaCl solution. This is NaCl solution. Its normality N1, volume V1. Next, another one. Its normality, another solution. Its normality N2, volume V2. In both solutions, solute is same, NaCl. These solutions are mixed to get a resulting solution. For this resulting solution, what is the normality? Previous solution N1 V1, another one N2 V2. When it is mixed to get resulting solution, for resulting solution formula, normality of resulting solution is equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2. Okay. Next, another one. For exact neutralization of acid with base. For exact neutralization of acid with base. Here acid versus base. Weight by gram equivalent weight is equal to normality of base NB into volume of base by 1000, or acid versus base concept. Here weight by gram equivalent weight is equal to Normality of acid into volume of acid by 1000. Okay? After that, if specific gravity percentage, that is weight by weight, are given, then normality is equal to percentage, that is weight by weight, into specific gravity into 10 by gram equivalent weight. Next one, if percentage, that is weight by volume given, indirectly gram equivalent weight given, then normality is equal to percentage into 10 by gram equivalent weight. Okay? In acid-base titrations, if acid concentration greater than base concentration, it means normality of acid, the product of normality of acid and the volume of the acid is greater than the product of the normality of base and the volume of base, then the normality of resulting solution is equal to, here which is more, acid is more, so normality of resulting solution is equal to H plus concentration, that are equal to